Today I will share how to make this static cartoon character animate in Canva like this. So let's start with it. So first I will visit arena.ai to create the cartoon character. Okay, so this is a free website and it doesn't require any login. As you can see, I haven't logged in this website. And now first I have to click on this generate images. Okay, so after that I will write here a simple way. I will write here, help me make a cartoon boy walking like image with white background. So this is very easy to write and it doesn't require any prompt to make this type of images. And after that, just click on enter. And it will run in the background to generate the images for us. And after some time, it will generate me this type of two images. So the first one is inside a t-shirt, so we don't require that. We require this one, which is exactly matching with our written line or with our requirement. So I will click on this download button and download the file. And after that I will come to Canva here, and as it is a square image, so I will also choose a square dimension. So I will choose this one, 1000 cross 1000 pixels, and after that I will just upload the image here and I will just make it bigger according to the canvas size. Now after that I will click on edit and scroll all the way down to find this image to video icon. So as you can see, the crown icon is here, which means this is a pro feature and only pro users can only use it. So for that I will click on this image to video and click on this generate 3-second video. Now as you can see, it has generated me the images with the animated part. But if you don't like this animation, you can always try a different type of animation by clicking on this generate again, and it will generate you a fresh video. So let's click on generate again and show you with this. So as you can see, it has generated me another video which is quite good looking, and you can use it by clicking on add video to design. And this will come in the video part of this canvas and you can easily use it in your own designs. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.